Alright, so I've just started a Visual Basic Windows application, form application, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to grab text from a text box. Okay, so basically I've added in this button so that when they click on the button, I'm going to grab their name from this box and I'm going to display it. So double click on the Go button, and that's going to give us our event. So when they click the Go button, this is the button handler. Okay, event handler. So first thing I'm going to do is, because I know that the text property of a text box is a string, I'm going to create a string, and I'm going to call it string first name. Now, because I know it's going to be a string and I don't want it to be anything else, I'm going to actually declare it as a string. Okay, I could actually just leave it as this. However, I'm going to be explicit and say I want it to be a string. And so when they click that button, I'm just going to say string first name equals txt_first dot text. And all that's doing is it's taking the text property from the text box and storing it in here. And so I'm just going to prove that it works by chucking a message box in there, and I'm just going to say string first name. And so let's just give this a quick go. And so I can put in my name, and when I click go, don't want that one. When I click go, look, there it is, Mr. Macri. How cool is that, right? And no matter how I click it, there it goes. Cool, hey? Alright, so that's how you get, so all I'm doing is I'm taking the property that I'm looking for, I'm storing it in a variable, and then I'm using that. Now, sometimes you store it in a variable and then chuck it into a database or pass it to another application or another form, or you can do countless things with the information once you've stored it. So my suggestion is every time you can get input and store it in a variable, do so. Alright, so go on to the first exercise, and yeah, good luck.